All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I hope you guys having a good day so far. Hope you spend time with your family, your friends, or just to take some time out for yourself. Just to get yourself together. So today I got with me
Ace the Heart
and
Dive Reacts.
all right. So what we're gonna do for you today, we're gonna do Papercut by MGK. All right, and this one is gonna be a first reaction. First reaction. None of us have ever seen. All right, so please, don't forget. All right, so are you ready?
I am.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I'm ready.
Yo, I like that bike.
Bleach my hair, mess it up, take my life, dress it up, sign the deal. I got paper cuts, they want it down, but they got us.
Yo.
I'm liking it already.
Yeah, I love the solo.
Yeah, liking
Love
it
the
already.
guitar solo.
Sleeping in,
Yo.
fake sick, smoked a blunt, had a kid, don't belong.
Play that guitar.
I'm a punk, hello world, you fucking suck. Hey, hey, keep my mouth shut and wait. Hey, hey, I'm dancing on my grave.
Yo.
Everybody's so nice lately. Everybody's not nice. Polarized feelings, I don't wear them on my face lately.
Eggs up.
I don't wear them on
They
my
look like black eggs.
Internalize everything
Yeah.
the headlines say lately. Everything they say. Demonized just because I was an angel face, baby. Baby.
Whoa!
Hey.
Whoa! Whoa!
Check
Whoa!
it out.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Picture there, right here.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, keep my mouth shut and wait. Hey,
Papercuts.
hey, I'm dancing on my grave.
Papercuts.
Inside joke, huh?
Inside joke. Yo.
Now, when he took off the skin on his head, I thought it was his brains there.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't his brains.
It was looking. Yeah, it was
It looked-
looking.
the
It was
first,
looking like
first glance, it looked like his brains.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I thought it was
Yes,
his
I
brains.
thought it was brains.
Yeah.
At first glance.
Yeah, yeah.
Look
I
like something.
thought it would
though.
have been something, at least something dramatic.
Yeah.
But it was just hair.
Bleach my hair, mess it up, take my life, dress it up, sign the deal. I got paper cuts, they want it down, but they got us. But they got us.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
transition.
Papercut has drums, hard-hitting lyrics that brings an anxiety vibe, to it. Yeah.
I like it.
And not only that, combined with tough to swallow lyrics. Yeah. It's got it. I think he might be one of my favorites. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yep.
Dope video, man. Dope video.
Yeah, the end. All right.
Yeah, and you know, just thinking about it, while the song was playing, while I was listening to the song, it reminded me of a song I've heard before, but I couldn't remember the group until now. Bloodhound.
Man.
Bloodhound, like the way, you know, you were saying that, never go, never go. The Bloodhound have a song similar to The Way It Going. I don't know.
Really?
They Bloodhound. I can't remember Bloodhound. It have years since I've listened to Bloodhound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think G has all the albums.
Really.
Gotta check it out.
We'll
All right.
We'll have to do a Bloodhound.
All right. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Give a round of applause for my two guys here. All right. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we need to know more about MGK. So please leave the comments. All right. Peace and love.
Peace out.
Later, guys.